Hey guys, Dean here again with Team Deborah, and in today's video we're going to be talking about Clickbank, and specifically what is the Clickbank marketplace. So stay tuned, we're going to go over a lot of information about the Clickbank marketplace, a lot of great stuff going to be shared here. With that being said, make sure you sign up for the AFK forum by using the link in the description below. It's got a ton of great tutorials on Clickbank, push traffic, CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, anything you can think of about making money online. You can find it there. Again, it's free to sign up. Make sure you do that by using the link in the description below. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so here we are, the Clickbank website, clickbank.com. If you guys aren't aware of Clickbank, they are a extremely large affiliate marketing platform network that offers, I believe, over 10,000 different affiliate marketing products currently. With their network, some benefits of being with them is some of their offers have reoccurring commissions. These are great when you're looking to build some passive income online. So let's say someone orders some sort of Nutra offer and decides to keep buying it over and over again, or set up for some sort of subscription or something. You would actually continue to make money every single time that they bought the product. Another great benefit of Clickbank is some of their commissions are actually up to 75%. So that is pretty unheard of almost anywhere else. That's amazing. I mean, you can get paid a lot of money with some of the products on here on Clickbank. Within those 10,000 products that I was telling you that they had, around 10,000, that's going to cover tons and tons of different verticals. It's going to be worldwide, many different places that you can promote these offers, so keep that in mind as well. But with that being said, let's take a closer look around the Clickbank website, and then what we'll go ahead and dive into is the actual goods of this tutorial, which is going to be what is the Clickbank marketplace. So as you can see, they have some of these top offers here right off the front that you can get into right off the bat. This one here is just going to be telling you that you can, they have some partners basically for SEO tools, different things like that. Dijs University, which we'll talk about in another video, I believe, and just some, products that are on here. So let's take a look. So as you can see, they offer multiple different things here right off the bat. These are just going to be some of the featured products of the site currently. So Longtail Pro, some sort of dancing stuff. Looks like paleo cookbooks, workout, dog stuff, German Shepherd handbooks, different things like that. You can see all the different verticals over here. So you can see they offer tons and tons of support for different verticals like art and entertainment, business and investing, e-business and e-marketing, employment, games, health and fitness, green products, software and services, things like that. So great network to work with is in terms of if you're looking for a variety of different products to be able to promote. So, I mean, that's a little bit about Clickbank, I believe. So they're part of the BBB. So that's good. And that's pretty much it for the homepage here. So with that being said, let's go ahead and dive into the actual dashboard. I've actually already logged in over here. This is what it looks like once you have been accepted for Clickbank. It's pretty easy to get accepted if you guys haven't tried before. I think this was actually probably one of the first networks I ever really applied for, just because my background really comes from a lot of affiliate marketing before I came over to CPA specifically. So I would always go through here and try and find new products and things to promote. So right off the dashboard, it's pretty plain and simple. This is just kind of a test account before, so it doesn't have too much details in here at the moment. I haven't used it quite recently. But what we're going to do today is we're going to go over here to the marketplace. So if you see up here at the top, there is a section for marketplace. Let's go ahead and click on that. Now what the marketplace essentially is basically where all of the vendors can come in and upload their products, where all of the publishers, affiliates like me and you can come through and see all of the different offers that are available. And so there actually is a support document with Clickbank. We're going to go over there next. I want to take a look at that just because if you guys want some real detailed information on what exactly each statistic is or things like that, this document is going to show you everything. So let's go ahead and do that. So I just found this right on clickbank.com, support.clickbank. You can find a lot of great information about Clickbank in here on how to set up Clickbank with, multiple different tools and how to navigate the Clickbank marketplace or Clickbank in general and kind of what their statistics mean. So basically, for a brief overview of kind of what I just said, the Clickbank marketplace is a space where vendors can provide information about their products and affiliates can view the products, their promotional materials, and their sales statistics. You can use the marketplace to find one or more products to promote. Products across all languages and types are available and can be searched. Once you've found a product you want to promote, you can generate a hop link or your affiliate link, and that incorporates the name of your account, the vendor's nickname, and all the information needed to track it. So if a customer follows this link to a vendor's page and makes a purchase of one or more products from that vendor, you'll be able to receive a commission for that sale. So that's the overview of it, of basically kind of what the marketplace exactly is. When you're going to search the marketplace, you can search by tons of different things, basic searches. If you're looking for, like, let's say, yoga guide, you could just type in yoga in there and it's going to do kind of like a basic search of all the yoga stuff on here. Then they also have more of an advanced search where you can check by gravity, initial sale, average amount of sale, like how much cost it is, average rebill, so things for that passive income, and then types of shipping, if they can just get it straight from the site or if it's an actual physical product. Language support is here, so English, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, German, and French are supported. Again, the billing type, if it's a one-time fee or if it's a reoccurring fee, and just a bunch of different things. Now, if you had some questions on, like, what is gravity and things like that, if you haven't seen some of our other videos on that specific thing, you can come in this document as well, and there should be an area for gravity. I saw it earlier. Let's see where it is. Might be a little further. They got a nice little video you can watch too. Where's it at? Come on, I know it's here. I got an idea. Boom. That's how you do it, boys. All right. So if you're trying to find things like what is gravity, or the definitions of these different things within the search, or if you're just looking at the statistics, which are sort of like this area here, and you're not too sure what that means, this support document will actually explain everything for you into detail of what exactly that is. So for example, for gravity, that might not be something you know right off the top of your head, or if you haven't seen some of our videos before talking about gravity, that might be something that you're like, what the heck is this? So, for example, gravity is basically the performance statistic for approximately to measure how many affiliates have successfully promoted products from an account with a higher number of meaning more conversions. So, basically, when you're looking at the gravity score, you're looking at you're wanting to look for something with a higher gravity score because that means it's having more conversions within the 2-week period that it's tracking in. So when you're looking at these statistics down here, and we'll take a look at some offers here in just a minute, you see this one has a gravity score of 70, whereas maybe another offer, probably better to show it on the other one, might have something a lot lower, maybe like a gravity score of 1 or 10 or something like that. So with that being said, let's go ahead and dive into the actual marketplace and take a look at some of the offers. But remember, if you guys need to know some of these definitions or just want a little bit more information on the marketplace, you can check that at support.clickbank.com. But let's go into the marketplace itself. So this is the actual marketplace. When someone is saying what is a Clickbank marketplace, this is what they're talking about. So this is where you would come to start looking for your affiliate products. As you saw earlier, they have a ton of different categories over here that you can search by. So for today, let's just go into health and fitness. That's a pretty relatable one for all of us here. So, you know, the Cinderella solution, you can take a look at all of the different offers related to health and fitness from here. They have some of the advanced filtering, like we were talking about a minute ago, where you could filter by gravity score, the average sale, average rebill, even when it's been added to the marketplace. So if you want something that's been on here for a long time, that's basically proven to be converting, or if you want the latest and greatest, you can check by that as well. And then back to the gravity score. So you can see this one has a 390 gravity score, whereas this one has 328. Some of them might start getting really low, 315. So it's just kind of going lower and lower. 297. It looks like they kind of, this one only has an 81, 65. So they kind of vary quite a lot. So that's why I pointed out gravity specifically. But this is how you navigate the Clickbank marketplace. Let's say we wanted to take a look at this Cinderella solution. If you wanted to take a look at the Cinderella solution specifically, you could click right here. It's going to show you the landing page for it. So this one's going to be a video. They actually, some of these Clickbank products will give you multiple landing pages. So either a video landing page like you see here, or if someone prefers to read it, they'll give more of like a news article, editorial type thing for them to read here, covering the same thing. And all of these have been obviously tested by the advertiser themselves, so they know that these are working, they're converting, and most of them are going to be pretty good quality, as you can see. So that's kind of how you see the offers here. Let's go back. So if you wanted to find more specifically about the affiliate, the actual advertiser, their page, you could open this right here and take a look about kind of signing up for their affiliate plan, things like that. A little bit more information about their affiliate setup and how they do things. If you want to understand how it works, they'll let you know all that information in here. And then the hop link we were talking about, or your affiliate link, to get that, you would just go ahead and hit promote. And that's where it's going to give you either the default one, which was the video, or the written sales page, which is the second one that I showed you afterwards. So you can choose which one you want. You can set up some tracking here if you want. In some of our other videos, we can show you exactly how to set up conversion tracking as well, if you want to take a look at some of those other videos in the past that we've done on Clickbank. But here's the account nickname it was talking about. So this is how it knows that I sent it. It's going to tell them my name or my company's name, whatever I signed up under. And when I generate the hop link, it's going to put all of that information in here. So that way, when I go to promote this offer for, I believe it's either 60 or 90 days off the top of my head, a pretty long time, you'll be able to promote this offer. And if someone buys something within that time period, you'll still earn up to 75% for each product that you have, as well as if there's any kind of rebills or recurring commissions, you'll be able to take advantage of that as well. So that's pretty much that. I think we covered almost pretty much everything about the marketplace. So let's just take a look at maybe some other offers here. Let's go back to the marketplace and let's get out of health and fitness. Let's take a look at something else. So there's software stuff. Some people like to run software, travel. Let's take a look at this travel. So it looks like this is basically a Disney World vacation and savings travel guide. I don't know if I like that one. Obviously it works. Again, take a look at the gravity score. This one doesn't even have a 1. So here, another one, Philippines Insider, the Ultimate Philippines Travel Guide. So let's take a look at what this one looks like. So this one, kind of basic, kind of bland. I probably wouldn't use it myself just because I really don't like this up here. Just because I have knowledge in building websites, and that is just kind of laziness, honestly. Yeah, you could promote this one if you wanted to. they would basically just, oh, this looks awful. They would just click add to cart and then basically go through. They would purchase the ebook and then you would get paid. I think this one has a pretty low payout, only $4.12 is the average sale. So that's that. Let's take a look at, let's see what else they got here. What's green products? I keep looking at that. Money generator machine. Okay, so this is like for solar, freedom, money generator. So let's take a look. I'm actually kind of interested in this. Is this like a make money online or financial freedom kind of thing? No, it's actually a box. So this one actually doesn't look, I mean, compared to the last one we looked at, this one's not too bad. So this one, it looks like it's some sort of box that helps with your electricity, how this box pays your electricity bill. And that's about it. I mean, it looks like it pays, they would pay $27. They could get a discount. It just keeps redirecting me to stuff if I don't do things in time. So doesn't even give you time to really think. See how it just keeps doing that? Interesting. But that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you would kind of take a look at the Clickbank marketplace, go through all the different offers, kind of just do what I'm doing here. Go through each offer that you think you might be able to angle or promote really well, and just start taking a look at it. You want to take a look and see if it's got, you know, a good gravity score, kind of what the average sale is, if there's any kind of reoccurring commission opportunities, and then just kind of see if the landing page looks good, you know. And with that, that's going to be pretty much it on what is the Clickbank marketplace. If you guys have any questions, make sure to leave them below. I'll make sure I comment on them and get back to you as quickly as I can.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.